Hello there. So here comes a little bit of a special announcement. I have put together what I think is a cool and unique online class for making concept art. And it's called the Narrative Concept Art Design class. Yeah, it's quite a mouthful, but it's an online paid class taught by me stretching over 8 weeks. So a little overview of the class itself. It's a class designed for aspiring artists. It's not a beginner class for learning tools like Blender and Photoshop or learning the very beginnings of digital art. This class is made to improve your ability to make concept art. Specifically, we will focus on building a strong concept art workflow from idea to final image. And there'll be a heavy emphasis on design and using story to improve and speed up your concept art workflow. The class is divided up into 2 sections, 4 weeks each. In the first section, we will go through creating a classic piece of concept art to really establish a solid workflow. We will then introduce great techniques and develop a good sense for creating a great final image. In the second section, we will go through building a piece of your own making and design. I will help you build and develop a small concept art project narratively and visually. Here we will focus on building great ideas and conveying them through great design, cinematography, and presentation, all building on skills and techniques from the first section. I think this course is unique because it dives into the core of conceptual artwork, building ideas, making designs, and telling stories through visuals. The online class will start Monday, August 22nd, but if you sign up within the next week, you'll get 15% off the class price, and there's limited spots. And I'm actually super excited for you guys to join me on this art journey. It's something I wanted to do for a while, so I'm glad to be able to do it now. More info and links to all of it can be found in the description somewhere around. So until then, see ya in the next one.